This is why we don't have decorations. That's why. That's funny. This is fair. She's still going. Get a good video of her? We try to back on to the top. I say her shit. I say her.